Polestar has taken the wraps off the 2023 facelifted Polestar 2 for the 2024 model year, hiding important upgrades under the mildly redesigned exterior. The highlights of the updated 2023 Polestar 2 include new electric motors, a switch to rear-wheel drive for the single-motor models, and a new battery pack. The latter translates to 635 kilometers, 395 miles, of WLTP estimated range for the EU-spec single-motor long-range trim, or up to 300 miles, 483 kilometers, of EPA estimated range for the US spec equivalent. The 2023 Polestar 2 benefits from a new 82 kWh battery sourced from CATL that supports 205 kW DC fast charging and lowers carbon emissions by 1.1 tons per car compared to the outgoing model. The WLTP range figures have been increased to 635 kilometers, 395 miles, for the single-motor model and up to 592 kilometers, 368 miles, for the dual-motor version with the same battery pack. European buyers also get the option of a standard-range single-motor Polestar 2 with a smaller 69 kWh battery from LG Chem, allowing up to 518 kilometers, 322 miles, of WLTP range. In the US, the new 82 kWh battery pack is exclusively available in combination with the single-motor layout, offering a range of 300 miles, 482 kilometers, according to EPA estimates. The more powerful dual-motor long-range configuration retains the old 78 kWh battery with up to 270 miles, 435 kilometers, of EPA estimated range. Another highlight of the facelifted model is the new electric motors. The entry-level trims are now RWD, instead of FWD, with a new permanent magnet motor and silicon carbide inverter producing 295 horsepower, 220 kilowatts, 299 PS, and 490 Nm, 361 pound-feet, of torque. This represents a significant increase of 67 horsepower, 50 kilowatts, 68 PS, and 160 Nm, 118 pound-feet, of torque compared to the outgoing FWD model. As a result, the 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint is now completed in 6.2 seconds, which is 1.2 seconds quicker than before. The dual-motor AWD variants benefit from a rear-biased setup, combining the same rear-mounted motor with a new asynchronous motor at the front that completely disengages when not needed. The combined output is 416 horsepower, 310 kilowatts, 422 PS, and 740 Nm, 546 pound-feet, of torque, allowing a 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, acceleration in 4.5 seconds. This is 13 horsepower, 10 kilowatts, 13 PS, and 80 Nm, 59 pound-feet, more than the outgoing Polestar 2 AWD. There is the optional performance pack, which raises the combined output up to 469 horsepower, 350 kilowatts, 476 PS. Just like the limited production BST edition, and improves the 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, acceleration time to 4.2 seconds. Polestar says that the power boost can also be purchased as an over-the-air software upgrade on the long-range dual-motor trims. Besides the extra oomph, the performance pack adds Brembo brakes, unique 20-inch forged alloy wheels, and a set of Öhlins dual-flow valve dampers. The 2023 Polestar 2 is already available in European markets, with the first deliveries expected in the third quarter of 2023. Pricing starts from €50,190, $54,540, for the standard range RWD model, going up to €64,690, $70,296, for the flagship long-range AWD with the performance pack. Other markets including the UK, the US, and Australia will follow in the near future. The outgoing Polestar 2 has sold more than 100,000 units in 27 markets since its introduction in 2019.